Good morning, students. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we will revise the topic how to read a number on abacus. The topic is how to read a number on abacus. Now the question is, what do you mean by abacus? What is an abacus? An abacus is an amazing calculating machine which helps us to make calculations fast. Clear beta? An abacus is a machine which we use to calculate fast. Now, in an abacus showing 4-digit number, there are 4 spikes. In an abacus showing 4-digit numbers, there are 4 spikes. The first spike from the right hand side shows ones place. Second spike shows tens place. Third spike shows hundreds place. And fourth shows thousands place. Is it clear beta? First spike shows ones place. Second tens. Third hundreds. And fourth thousands. Now there are different number of beads in different spikes. Now these different number of beads in different spikes show the value of beads at different places. Clear beta? Number of beads in different spikes show the value of digits at different places. Now suppose at ones place, if we count these beads, there are 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 4 under ones. Now in second spike there are 2 beads. Write down 2 under tens. Then there are 3 beads in third spike. Write down 3. And there are 5 beads in fourth spike. Write down 5 under thousands. So the number of beads in different spikes show the value of digit at different places. Clear beta? So the numeral we get is 5324. We have written 5 under thousands because there are 5 beads. We have written 3 under hundreds because there are 3 beads in third spike. Now there are 2 beads in second spike, so we have written 2 under tens. And there are 4 beads in first spike, so I have written 4 under ones. Clear beta? So numeral we get is 5324. And number name for this numeral is 5324. Is it clear? Number name is 5324. Is it clear beta? Now second is how to show a number on abacus. How to show a number on abacus. Now the number is 4103. For showing this number, first of all we will draw an abacus. First of all draw this base. Draw this base in 8 boxes. Clear? Then after that draw these 4 spikes. Leave one column and draw first spike, then 2 columns, second, then 2 columns, third, and then 2 columns, fourth. Clear beta? leave at least 2 columns among these spikes. Clear बच्चे? Now the number is 4103. Now what is there at thousand place? 4. What is there at thousand place? 4. At hundreds place? 1. Tens place? 0. And ones place? 3. Now there is 3 at ones place. So we will draw 3 beads in first spike from the right hand side. Is it clear? Join all these 3 beads. Clear beta? Don't leave any gap among these. Always join these beads. Now there is 3 at ones place. So draw 3 beads. 0 at tens place. So no need to draw any bead. Then 1 at hundreds place. Again draw 1 bead. And 4 at thousands place. Draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 3 under ones, 0 under tens, 1 under hundreds and 4 under thousands. Clear beta? First of all draw base, then 4 spikes and then draw number of beads in the spikes according to the value of the digit given at different places. 3 at ones place, so draw 3 beads. 0, tens, no need to draw any bead. Then 1 at hundred place, draw 1 bead. Then 4 at thousands place, draw 4 beads. Is it clear beta? Now your abacus is ready. That's all for today. Have a nice day.